Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is measuring time. In this video we are going to see the exercise 21.1 which is available in our Navneet digest on page number 280. So before this one, on page number 279 there are some solve examples. So we will make an overview of this one. So question number 1 is there. Observe the clock. After how many minutes will it be 15 minutes past 12? 15 minutes past 12. Past 12 means after the 12. Okay. So but in a clock there is an image in a clock that is showing 10 and past 10. Okay. So as per this one, 10 uh, 10 past 10 to the 12 past 10, that is we can say the 2 hours, and after this one the 5 hours, so means 2 hours and 5 minutes. So but 2 hours means, as we know, 1 hours is equals to 60 minutes, so 2 hours is equals to 60 multiplied by 2, it's a 120, and plus that 5 minutes, so that is a 125 minutes. So 125 minutes, option number 3 is a correct answer. Then question number 2, Anu started to solve a practice test in maths at 10:30 a.m. and completed at 1 p.m. So 10:30 a.m. and 1 p.m. That is a time duration from starting to the end. Okay. So what time did he take to solve the paper? So from 10 a.m. always we make a one point, means which is a 12, we can say the noon, okay, or 12 midnight, 12 midnight. So these are the points always we make the breaking of the we can say the complete duration, so that we can properly count it. So now from 10 a.m. to the noon, that we can say the 12 00 minus 10:30. So 12 we will reduce with a 1 hour, so that is 11, and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, we will add it here, so 00 will comes the 60. Now we can make the subtraction, so 60 minus 30 is a 30, and then 11 minus 10 is a 1. So this is a 1 hour and 30 minutes. So this is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, so from 12 noon to the 1 p.m, so that is already shown, this is a 0 for this one. Okay, 12 hours time. PM means this is a 12 hours time. So from the noon started from the 0, and now it's a 1 hour, so means it's a 1 hour. So 1 hour 30 minutes plus 1 hour means this is a 2 hours and 30 minutes, and this is given in option number 4, because that is a, instead of the 30 minutes, that is a shown half hours. Okay, so means 2 and half hour, like this one. This is in different formats shown. Okay, so option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 3, a bus started at 7 in morning. 7 in morning means that is a 7 a.m. and reach its destination at 3 in afternoon, so 3 p.m. I just note down here, so from here to here. Okay, so now the bus halted at 15 minutes after every 2 hours. What is the actual time taken by the bus to covering the distance? So this type of the problem already we have seen in a lecture video. Okay, so we will make the overview for here again. So 12 noon here, 12 noon, 12 noon, and before this one 7 a.m. The in between these two, the time is 12 minus 7 is a 5 hours. Okay, and from the 12 noon to the 3 p.m. it's a 3 hours. Okay, so 3 plus 5, it's a 8 hours. Okay, but after 7, every 2 hours it's take the 15 minutes, so from 7 to next 2 means 9 a.m. Okay, that is a halt for the 15 minutes, so this is the first halt. After 9, on 11 a.m., that is the second halt. Now from 11 a.m. to the 1 p.m, that is the third halt. And after 1 p.m, directly 3 p.m means destination comes, means there are the total 3 halts, so minus 15 minutes each halts multiplied by 3, so 8 hours minus 15 multiplied by 3, it's a 45 minutes. We have to deduct 8 hours and subtracted with 45 minutes, means that is the 7 hours and 15 minutes. So 7 hours and 15 minutes is given in option number 2. Now we are going to see the exercise. So for the exercise on page number 218, Question number 1 is there. 5 hours 35 minutes equal to how many minutes? So 5 hours and 35 minutes. So 35 minutes already given, so we have to convert this 5 hours. So 5 hours, to convert this one, we have to multiply by with the 60, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So that is a 5 multiplied by 6 is a 30, and this 0 means 300 plus this 35 minutes. So this is a 335 minutes, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 2, a cricket match started at 10 according to 24 hours. So 10 means that is a 11, sorry, am, means in the morning. So what will be the time according to 12-hour clock if it ends at 16:45? So this time is in a 24-hour zones. Okay, means this is a, suppose this is a 10 am starting in the morning. Okay, so 16:45. So from this one there is a 12 noon in between this one. So for this 12 o'clock, from this time we will if we deduct this 12, so 00, this 45 as it is, and then 16 minus 12 is a 4. So it's a 4:45 p.m. So 4:45 is shown in option number 2. Always remember, for the 24 hours, whatever the time after the 12 to the 24. Okay, so for the 24 hours and 12 hours, the main difference is after the 12 to up to the 24. So that is a counted continuously from 12 to 24. To convert it in a 12 hours, we have to deduct from 24 whatever the clock time minus 12. Okay, if that is a in between 12 to 24. If that is a less than the 12, so that is a, we can say that is a 0 to the 12, means in the morning, or we can say am. Okay, that is counted in a am. So that is the main difference, means am and pm. But pm is always be shown in continuously after the 12 up to the 24. So that is a main difference between 24 hours and 12 hours. Now question number 3, 3 hours 52 minutes is equals to how many minutes? So now 6 hours and 52 minute. Now 52 minute already given, so 6 hours we have to convert in a minute. So to convert it, 6 multiplied by 60 we have to do, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 6 multiplied by 6 is 36, and 0 means 360 plus this 52. So after this 360 to 400 it's a 40, and after this one 12 means 412 minute, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 4, Nilesh come to school at 7:30 in the morning, means 7:30 am. After 330 minute in school, he started for home, means that is the meaning that after this is a starting time, or he is a reaching time in a school. After this one 330 minutes he is in a school, and after this one he started to move to the home. Okay, means that we can say he left the school. At what time did he start moving to the home? So first of all, this minutes we will convert to the hours. So 330 divided by 60. So 61 and 65 we know the 300. So balance is the 30. So 5 hours and 30 minutes. So this time we have to add it this one. So plus 5 hours and 30 minutes. So this 30 comes the 60, and 7 plus 5 is a 12. But 60 minute we know it's a 1 hour. So 1 hour we will add here. Okay, and it will come the 00. So means 12 plus 1, 1 hour. Okay, mean 1 o'clock, and this 00 means this the 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock means 1 p.m. also we can say, but in option 1 o'clock mentioned. So that's why option number 3 is the correctly. Now question number 5. On Saturday, the school begins at 7:10 in the morning and closes at 15 minutes to 12 before noon. So starting time is a 7 and 10 a.m. Okay, and close at the 15 minutes to 12 before noon. 15 minutes 12 before noon means before 12 noon 15 minutes before, means that is a 11:45 a.m. Okay, that is the meaning. So 11:45 a.m. that is a school closing. Now, how much time does the school meet on Saturday? Okay, so means from this time to this time we have to count the duration. So for this one, 11:45 a.m. minus 7:10 a.m. Okay, so 45 minus 10 can possible, yes. So it's a 35. Then 11 minus 7, it's a 4. So means 4 hours and 35 minutes. And this is given in option number 1. Now question number 6. A bus takes 4 hours and 20 minutes to reach Amravati from Nagpur. 4 hours and 20 minutes. It takes 20 minutes more for the return journey. Means suppose this is a Nagpur to Amravati, we say, then for the Amravati to the Nagpur, it takes 20 minutes more. Okay, how much total time does bus take to going to Amravati from Nagpur and return? Means complete, means Nagpur to Amravati and Amravati to Nagpur. This complete journey time we have to calculate. As we know, Nagpur to Amravati 4 hours 20 minutes, and then Amravati to Nagpur also same, but it's a additionally it will take the 20 minutes. So means 4 hours 20 minutes. So I will note down here. Now 4 hours 20 minute, then addition return journey also 4 hours 20 minutes, but in a return journey it takes more 20 minutes. Okay, so now here the 0 hours we can say, because 20 minutes only mentioned. So 20 plus 20 plus 20, it's a 60 minute, and 4 plus 4, it's a 8 hours. Okay, so 60 minutes we can convert in a hours, so it will be additions of the 1 hours and it will be 0. So 1 plus 8 is a 9 hours and 0 minute, or we can say only the 9 hours, and 9 hours is shown in option number 4. Question number 6, option number 4, 9 hours. Then for the question number 7, yoga studied for 2 hours 55 minutes in the morning, 2 hours 55 minutes in the morning, and 1 hour 50 minutes in the evening, 1 hours 50 minute in the evening. For what time did he study in all? In all means we have to add at this one. So 55 plus 50, as we know, this is 105 minutes, and 1 plus 2 is a 3 hours. But 105 minutes cannot be, so we have to deduct it with the 60, and that 60 we have to add as a 1 hour. Okay, means it a conversion. So 105 minus 60 is a 45 minute. Okay, and this is a 4 hours. So we can say 4 hours and 45 minute. This is the total time he has studied. So this is given in option number 4. Now question number 8. Drama which started at 5 minutes past 12 noon. Past means after the 12, means 12 and 05 p.m. we can say. Okay, lasted for 3 hours and 10 minutes. Lasted means that is the ending. Okay, 3 hours and 10, so that is a p.m. At what time did the drama end? So no, this is the time duration mentioned, not it's the PM. So we have to add this one with this durations. Okay, so this is the 3 and 10 minute. Okay, so this is the duration, means 3 hours and 10 minutes. So this is only clock time. Okay, so this is the duration of the drama. So for to find out the end time, we have to add this duration in a clock time. So this is a 15, and then 12 plus 3 means it's a 3 o'clock. Okay, because after the 12 it's a 0 started. Okay, means after this 12, 1 clock, then 2 clock and 3 clock. So 15 3, we 12 plus 3 also we can do the 15, but 15 is a 12 24 hours, and in a we can say it's a PM. So it's a 3 and 15 PM, or we can say 15 minutes past 3 o'clock. So this is given in option number 3. Thank you.